if you could make a bunny sing, go viral, and learn the secrets behind the most powerful AI video tools without any experience? Today, I'll show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can create your own viral AI videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. Let's break down the process: gadgets X-ray style, clear steps, cool visuals, and a satisfying payoff. Step 1. For creating the image, I had to choose between ChatGPT and ImageFX. I generated my image with ImageFX, Google's tool for creating images from a prompt. Prompt: cute photorealistic bunny, portrait style, looking at the camera. And create. Perfect. So I had 4 choices. I really liked this one. Download. Perfect. ImageFX is unlimited and free in some countries. Otherwise, of course, you can use a VPN. For me, I find ImageFX is better for creating images because it gives you a bonus. You can choose the format like 9:16 for Reels or TikTok. Step 2. Bringing the bunny to life. AI video animation. Now for the magic: animating the image. I tested 2 of the hottest AI video tools, Google AI Studio VEO 2 and Kling AI. Here's what happened. Google AI Studio VEO 2. What it is: Google's new video AI. As you can see here, I uploaded the image, and I created the prompt, cute bunny singin'. I chose VEO 2, the aspect ratio 9:16, the video duration 8 seconds, and for the resolution, it's 720 pixels, as you can already see in the video. Just know that paid videos cost about 50 cents per second. Got 2 video variants per generation, up to 9 per day free. Result: the realism blew me away. My bunny was alive. Kuaishou's video AI, Kling 2.0 Master. I took the same image I used in Google AI Studio. Here I chose Kling 1.6 because it only costs 20 points to generate the video. But for Kling 2.0 Master, it's the new version, but it costs 100 points for a single video. So in our case, I chose Kling 1.6 and generated. Uploaded the same bunny image. Prompt: cute bunny singing. Model: Kling 1.6, cheaper, 20 points per video. After a few tries, I had a video of my bunny singing ready to go viral. The secret sauce: what makes this go viral? Everyone wants to make cool AI videos. Visuals first, every step is about making something you'd want to share. We started with a challenge, faced tool choices, and ended with a singing bunny. You saw the bunny sing, and you can do it too. What's next? What wild AI creation will you make? Try these tools, share your results, and let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll feature your video in the next guide. And if you want more step-by-step, experiment-driven AI tutorials, hit subscribe/follow so you don't miss the next viral idea.